Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Where we review the latest gadgets and gizmos on. Comprehensive guide on the top 5 best mini gaming PCs of 2024. These compact powerhouses redefine gaming efficiency and aesthetics. Stay tuned as we unveil models that not only dominate in performance but also offer unique features that could revolutionize your gaming experience. Don't miss the surprise at the end. I always make video top 5 product. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. If you want to see more of our content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. The KAMUI Mini PC Ryzen 7 5700U. This compact powerhouse promises high performance and versatility, so let's see if it lives up to the hype. Performance AMD Ryzen 7 5700U Mini PC. The KAMUI Mini PC is a beast with its AMD Ryzen 7 5700U CPU. With 8 cores and 16 threads, it's ready to tackle intense multitasking and demanding applications. Its turbo frequency of 4.3 GHz means lightning-fast responsiveness for gaming and productivity. Storage: large capacity with expansion options equipped with 16 GB RAM and a 512 GB SSD, this mini PC is no slouch in the storage department. The RAM's 3200 MHz speed ensures swift data transfers, and the SSD's upgradability to 2 TB is a huge plus for gamers and professionals alike. Connectivity: rich connectivity. Dual 4K display support? Check. A USB-C interface and 4 USB 3.0 ports? Check. The KAMUI Mini PC offers a plethora of connectivity options, making it a versatile choice for any setup, whether it's for work or play. Network: faster network and convenient wireless connection. Say goodbye to lag with Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2. The faster data transfer rates and improved stability mean uninterrupted gaming sessions and seamless streaming of your favorite shows. Design: unique design, customizable features, and versatility. This mini PC's sleek design is not just about looks, it's also about saving space. With customizable features and support for various applications, it's a great fit for any environment. Conclusion: the KAMUI Mini PC Ryzen 7 5700U is a compact yet powerful option for anyone looking to upgrade their computing experience. With its robust performance, ample storage, and rich connectivity, it's a versatile machine that's worth considering. Number 4. The MINISFORUM Venus Series NAB9 Mini PC. This little powerhouse promises top-tier performance in a compact size. So, let's see if it lives up to the hype. Powerful performance: the NAB9 Mini PC packs a punch with its 12th Gen Core i9-12900HK processor. With 14 cores and 20 threads revving up to 5.0 GHz, it's a beast in a small package. The integrated Intel Iris Xe graphics ensures your internet and office applications run smoothly. 4K quad screen output: multitasking is a breeze with the NAB9's 4K quad screen output. With 2x HDMI and 2x USB-C ports, you can connect to 4 Ultra HD screens simultaneously. This feature is perfect for video walls, digital signage, and professional AV setups. Expandable capacity: worried about storage? Fear not! The NAB9 offers 2 DDR SODIMM slots supporting up to 64 GB, plus AM.2 2280 PCIe 4.0 SSD slot for up to 2 TB. That's lightning-fast storage speeds for your OS and games, with additional space for movies and photos. 2.5G RJ45 port: the dual 2.5 gigabits per second LAN ports on the NAB9 mean faster and more reliable network performance. Whether you're at home or in a large enterprise, these ports support high-speed applications and broadband environments, ensuring you stay connected. Package contents: unboxing the NAB9, you'll find the mini PC itself, an HDMI cable, a US power adapter, a manual, and a SATA cable for 2.5-inch HDD. It's everything you need to get started right out of the box. Conclusion: in the MINISFORUM NAB9 Mini PC is a formidable contender in the mini PC market. Its robust performance, expandable storage, and multi-screen capabilities make it a versatile choice for any tech lover. Number 3. The MINISFORUM Venus Series 773 Mauritanian Lite Mini PC. This compact powerhouse is turning heads in the tech community, and we're here to find out why. Great processor. First up, the 773 Mauritanian Lite boasts an AMD Ryzen 7 7735HS processor. With its leap from 7nm to 6nm technology and Zen 3 architecture, this mini PC promises smooth sailing through heavy tasks and multitasking. Ideal for gamers, programmers, and movie buffs alike. Powerful graphics. Now, let's talk visuals. The Radeon 680M graphics card, based on the RDNA 2 architecture, delivers ultra-high frame rates and advanced content creation features. Whether you're gaming or designing, the 773 Mauritanian Lite doesn't just perform, it impresses. 8K video output. Connectivity is king with the 773 Mauritanian Lite's video output options. Dual 4K HDMI and a single 8K USB 4 port mean you can enjoy a multi-monitor setup that enhances your work and play. The USB 4 port, in particular, is a game-changer for high-speed data transfer and graphics. Large capacity, storage woes? Not here. With 32GB DDR5 RAM and a 512GB NVMe SSD, expandable up to 2TB, the 773 Mauritanian Lite is ready for all your apps and files. Plus, the additional 2.5-inch SATA HDD slot ensures you'll never run out of space. 2.5 gigabits per second LAN. Lastly, the 2.5 gigabits per second LAN port is a network Enthusiast stream. It supports a range of network functions and ensures your internet speed keeps up with your computing needs. Auto power on and WOL are just the cherries on top. Conclusion: to wrap it up, the MINISFORUM 773 Mauritanian Lite Mini PC is a small but mighty contender in the desktop arena. Whether you're editing, gaming, or creating, this mini PC packs a punch. Number 2. The ACEMAGICIAN Dual LAN Mini Gaming PC, a powerhouse in a compact form. So, let's get started and see what this little beast has to offer. AMD Ryzen 7 5800U processor. First up, the heart of the machine, the AMD Ryzen 7 5800U processor. This 8-core, 16-thread monster clocks up to 4.4 GHz, promising a performance boost of 35% over its Ryzen 5 siblings. That's some serious muscle for a mini PC. Mini PC perfect for gaming gamers, rejoice! The ACEMAGICIAN is not just small, it's mighty. With AMD Zen 3 Ryzen 7 and Radeon RX Vega graphics, it outperforms previous generations by 3.4%. Whether it's Apex or GTA 5, this mini PC ensures your gaming sessions are nothing short of epic. Dual 1G 2.5G RJ45 ports. No one likes lag, and with dual 1G and 2.5G RJ45 ports, you won't have to. These fast network speeds are perfect for gaming marathons, binge watching, or just casual web surfing. Plus, it's an ideal candidate for network security applications like Untangle or Sense. Dual channel 16GB RAM 512GB SSD. Multitasking is a breeze with 16GB DDR4 RAM and a 512GB NVMe SSD. This dynamic duo allows for seamless operation of high-performance tasks. Need more space? There's room to add a 2.5-inch SSD, expanding your storage up to a whopping 2 TB. 4K triple display outputs. Visuals are key, and with triple display outputs, you're set for an immersive experience. The Radeon graphics with 8 GPU cores at 2000 MHz support stunning 4K visuals, ensuring crystal clear images whether you're working or playing. Conclusion: the ACEMAGICIAN Mini Gaming PC is a testament to how far mini PCs have come. It's a perfect blend of size and performance, making it a top choice for gamers and professionals alike. Number 1. The ultra-compact powerhouse, the Intel NUC 12 Enthusiast Mini PC. If you're all about high performance in a small package, stick around as we unpack what this little giant has to offer. Performance: the Intel NUC 12 doesn't just talk the talk, it walks the walk with a 14-core i7-12700H processor. This means seamless multitasking for content creation, gaming, and more. It's the perfect blend of power and efficiency for any tech-savvy user. Graphics now, let's talk visuals. The Intel Arc S770M graphics card is a game-changer, offering features like AI accelerators and real-time ray tracing. It's not just about power, it's about smart power that adapts to your creative needs. Memory storage with 32GB RAM and a 1TB SSD, this mini PC is a dream for anyone who needs speed and space. The ample storage means less time waiting and more time doing, whether you're editing 4K videos or managing large files. Connectivity: Intel has outdone themselves with connectivity options. Thunderbolt 4, HDMI 2.1, DisplayPort 2.0, and more ensure that you're never short of ports. Plus, with Intel Killer Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.2, you're always connected. Warranty support: purchasing through Geek on Amazon gives you a 3-year warranty and direct access to Intel's after-sales support. It's peace of mind knowing that help is just a message away if you need it. Conclusion: the Intel NUC 12 Enthusiast Mini PC is a testament to Intel's commitment to innovation. It's a versatile, powerful, and reliable system that's perfect for home, audiovisual, business, or office use. I hope you found this video helpful. And if so, please leave a thumbs up, as I always appreciate that. Also, please feel free to leave a comment suggesting future videos or questions you have, as we love getting to respond to as many of those as we can. And if you sub, remember to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews. Welcome to our The Review Factor family. We've got lots more videos coming your way. Till then, stay safe, stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.